Hi everyone, welcome to Draftsman Studio, place to ignite your creativity. Today we are going to see simple geometric eye mandala in black and white. First, try to find the center point of your page. After finding the center point, take 5 cm radius in the compass and draw a circle from your center point. You can also do it with 4 cm and 3 cm according to your wish. But don't change the compass size at any point in time. For the second circle, take the intersection of the first circle and the vertical line as center point and draw the circle. For the third circle, intersection of these two circles is going to be the center point. Now take the intersection of these two circles as a center point for the next circle. Now take the intersection of these two circles as center point for the next circle and complete the first layer like this. Now I have completed my first layer. For the second layer, take the intersection point of the first circle which we drew and the horizontal line and draw the circle. Hereafter, the alternative intersections will be the center point for the second layer. It might look a bit tricky, but once you practice, it is quite simple and easy. The key word for this geometric eye mandala, I would say, is the intersection points. Also follow my fingers so that it is so helpful for you. Till now we never changed the radius of the circle, but going further we are going to do different radiuses. Next step is we need to draw circles where the petal ends. So this is how my grid looks. Now I am starting to do the fillings with black color. The materials which I have used are put in the description box. Please check it out if you would like to buy, and it's your wish to go for different bands. Even you can do it with different colors that will enhance the picture. It is of your choice. Once I did the outline, I am trying to fill it with black color. The fillers are only going to be for the petals. Once we finish, you will see a 3D look. We can even build more layers like this. I will teach in my next video on that. So this is the completed look. Then erase the reference lines which we drew in the beginning. If you want, you can do it with colors also. Please subscribe to my channel if you like. Thanks for watching. Drapes Women Studio.